Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the diagonal relationship between the lithium and magnesium. Lithium, that is the element of group number 1, and magnesium, that is the element of group number 2. But in certain properties there is a similarities is there between the lithium and the magnesium. So let us start. First of all, the diagonal relationship of lithium and magnesium. Diagonal relationship between what? Lithium and magnesium magnesium. चलो देखते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है 5th यूनिट टेस्ट में, मे बी दिस टॉपिक विल बी देयर, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज में सिमिलरिटीज इसमें होती है? तो पहले तो हमको मालूम है कि एक ही ग्रुप में जो एलिमेंट है उसकी सभी प्रॉपर्टीज, केमिकल एज वेल एज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर सेम. बट हियर वी कैन से that first of all, atomic and ionic radii. See here, atomic radii. First of all, I can write down atomic radii. चलो किसकी? तो लिथियम की है 152 पिकोमीटर और बेरिलियम सॉरी मैग्नीशियम की है 160 पिकोमीटर समथिंग, राइट? ये देखो सिमिलरिटीज हो गई. देन आयोनिक रेडियाई, लिथियम Li प्लस 76 पिकोमीटर है, राइट? एंड Mg प्लस 2 तो 72 पिकोमीटर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो देयर इज अ व्हाट similarities are there between the atomic and ionic radii of this lithium as well as the magnesium. Now let us see first point. We can say the lithium and magnesium elements are harder but softer than other element of same group, right? पहला point, lithium and magnesium are what? harder but softer than the other element, than the other elements of same क्या है? group. Understand? Is it clear? Next one we can say lithium and magnesium slowly react with water, right? And then oxide, whenever they react with the water they can form some oxide and hydroxide, and it is a very less soluble in water. Understand why? Because the lithium hydroxide is decomposed on heating. So I can write down here that lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. Then oxide and hydroxide are very less soluble, in water, right? And their hydroxide decompose on heating. Their hydroxide decompose on heating, right? ये बात भी आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए. Understand? Then after, next point we can say that lithium and magnesium both combine with nitrogen and directly it can form some nitride, right? Lithium and magnesium both combine with nitrogen, right? Directly and form क्या बनेगा? लिथियम नाइट्राइड्स. कौन से नाइट्राइड बनेंगे वो? तो Li3n and Mg3n2. Understand? So lithium and magnesium nitride can be formed. Next point we can say that यहाँ पे the oxide, that is a lithium and magnesium oxide, do not give superoxide by combining more oxygen, right? So the oxide Li2O and MgO do not give superoxide, do not give superoxide by combining more amount of oxygen, more amount of oxygen, right? Chalo, next point. On heating the carbonate of lithium and magnesium, it will decompose easily, and lithium and magnesium, and we can say it gives the oxide and carbon dioxide, right? So I can write down, on heating carbonate of lithium and magnesium, on heating the carbonate of lithium and magnesium, क्या होगा? Decompose easily and gives it decompose easily and gives, क्या हमको देगा? तो it will gives oxide and carbon dioxide, oxides and carbon dioxide, right? Is it clear? And solid hydrogen carbonate are not formed by lithium and magnesium. Solid hydrogen carbonate are not formed by lithium and magnesium. Understand? Chalo, next point. Both lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are soluble in water. Both are soluble in ether, right? Both LiCl and MgCl2 are soluble in ether, right? And here both LiCl and MgCl2 are hygroscopic and crystallized, as both LiCl and MgCl2 are hygroscopic and crystalline, right? Is it clear? As LiCl into twice H2O and MgCl2 into Cl2 into 8H2O. Is it clear? And forms their aqueous solution. From their aqueous solution. यहाँ पे देखो अब ये कंप्लीट हो गया. So this is all about the diagonal relationship. पहला तो मैंने हमने बात की कि atomic and ionic radius there is similarities are there. Second में lithium and magnesium are harder but softer than all the other compound in the same group. बराबर? Then after lithium and magnesium react slowly with the water, their oxide and hydroxide are less soluble in the water, and we can also discuss that lithium and magnesium both combine with the nitrogen and it can form a nitride. Then oxide and magnesium, lithium oxide and magnesium oxide cannot be forms a superoxide if the more amount of the oxygen will be react, right? Then on heating the carbonate, then it will be decomposed and it can form a what? That it can form a carbon dioxide as well as the oxides, right? And lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are soluble in the ether and both will be in the form of crystalline, right? And it will be hydrated. Is it clear? So that's why it will be written as a hygroscopic. Understand? So these all are the diagonal relationship between the lithium and magnesium. Most important topic, right? Okay, note down. चलो next point. Now let us discuss about the anomalous behavior of lithium as compared to that of all the other element of same group. Right? Anomalous किसको बोलते हैं? कि lithium that is the element of group number 1 और उसी ग्रुप में दूसरे कोई भी एलिमेंट से उसका कई प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसी है लिथियम की जो डिफरेंट है, तो वो प्रॉपर्टीज हम लिखेंगे. तो पहले तो एनामोलस बिहेवियर ऑफ लिथियम. एनामोलस बिहेवियर ऑफ lithium, right? Anomalous behavior of lithium from other element of the group, from other element of the group. चलो anomalous behavior. पहला point, lithium is very hard, and so that's why we can say that its melting point as well as the boiling point are higher than all the other element of same group, right? Other alkali metals we can say. So I can say first point that lithium is very hard. Lithium is very hard, right? Its melting point and boiling point are higher than its melting point and boiling point are higher than क्या other element, other alkali metal, other alkali metal. Understand? This is the first point. Next we can say lithium is least reactive amongst all the alkali metal. Why? Because lithium monoxide and lithium nitride are formed and this does not happen in the other alkali metal. कोई दूसरे जो alkali metal है ना, जो वो ऑक्साइड और नाइट्राइड बनाते नहीं है. So that's why we can say lithium is least reactive. Lithium is least reactive amongst alkali metal, right? And monoxide Li2O and nitride Li3N, nitride Li3N, right, are formed, right? This does not happen in all the other alkali metal. Then next point, the lithium chloride is we can say the crystalline hydrated form, while other alkali metal do not form a hydrate, right? So lithium chloride NiCl are crystalline as a hydrated, hydrated. Just like example में लेता हूँ कि LiCl into twice H2O, while other alkali metal do not forms a hydrate, while other alkali metal do not forms hydrate, right? Then क्योंकि लिथियम की साइज बहुत कम है, right? लिथियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज नॉट ऑब्टेन इन सॉलिड फॉर्म. ये तो हमने पढ़ा कि लिथियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज नॉट obtained in solid form, right? While other element form solid hydrogen carbonate, while other elements forms solid hydrogen carbonate, right? Bicarbonate we can say. Then we can say that lithium do not react with the ethyne and it can form the ethanite, but all the other elements of same group will be react with the ethyne and forms the ethanite. So I can write down lithium, unlike other alkali metal, do not form the ethanite. Lithium do not react with ethyne and forms ethanite, but all the other alkali metal is react with the ethyne and it can form the ethanite, right? Then next one we can say that lithium nitride when heated it will be decomposed and it can form the lithium oxide, right? यहाँ पे देखो अगर लिथियम नाइट्राइड है LiNO3, अगर मैं हीट अप्लाई करता हूं तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? लिथियम ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन. अगर मुझे बैलेंस करना है तो यहाँ पे 2, तो 2 2 से यहाँ पे 4, 4 3 से 12, तो यहाँ पे भी 4. देखो अब बैलेंस हो गया, राइट? सो दिस कैन बी फॉर्म्स अ लिथियम ऑक्साइड. फाइंड ऑल द अदर एलिमेंट, उसके ग्रुप में दूसरे कोई भी नाइट्राइड को हीट करूंगा तो इट कैन नॉट गिव द ऑक्साइड, बट you can get the nitride of that part, nitrides, right? So nitrides means NaNO, 2 sodium nitrides will be formed, right? And oxygen will be released. Understand? So यहाँ पे 2 moles, तो यहाँ पे भी 2 moles. Is it clear? 2 is 4, 6, 6 हो गया. Okay. Understand? And the last point that is we can say lithium fluoride and lithium oxide जो है is less soluble in the water, right? LiF and Li2O are very less soluble in water, are very less soluble in water, right? Compared to the compound of their metals or same corresponding compound. Is it clear? So all these things we have to know. पहले तो लिथियम एनामोलस बिहेवियर, पहले मैंने क्या बोला? हार्ड है, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट विल बी मोर, राइट, एज कंपेयर टू ऑल अदर अल्काइल मेटल. देन लिथियम क्या बनाएगा? नाइट्राइड एंड ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद द नाइट्रोजन. क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म में है, हाइड्रेटेड है, दूसरे कोई हाइड्रेटेड नहीं है. लिथियम कार्बोन हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज नॉट एबल टू फॉर्म इन द सॉलिड स्टेट, बट ऑल द अदर विल बी इन द सॉलिड हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. लिथियम डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद द व्हाट इथाइन टू फॉर्म अ इथेनाइट. एंड लिथियम का जो नाइट्राइड है ना, उसको डिकम्पोजिशन अप्लाई, इफ यू अप्लाई द हीट देन यू कैन गेट द लिथियम ऑक्साइड. दूसरे कोई भी ऑक्साइड नहीं, उसके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग नाइट्राइड बनाएगा. ये देखो. Then last one we can say that lithium fluoride and lithium monoxide are very less soluble in the water as compared to that of corresponding compound of their metals, right? Is it clear? So here we have completed what? The diagonal relationship as well as the anomalous behaviors of lithium as compared to that of all the other element of same group, right? Today up to here is enough. In the next video we are going to discuss about the diagonal relationship between what? That is the beryllium and aluminium, and also the what? That is the anomalous behavior of beryllium, right? So to here it's enough. Thank you very much. Okay.